Welcome guys to yet another exciting lesson in mathematics. We're still dealing with addition of fractions, but today we are doing a different one from the one that we did last time. Last time we were looking at adding fractions of the same denominators, but today we are looking at something that is a bit unique, that is adding fractions of different denominators. The method somehow is similar, but there are some important things that you need to take note, because in this case the denominators are different, hence you need to pay attention. Let's have a look at this example. To take you through, this is Mr. Mwenya. Let's look at this example. So you have a question here which is 5/4 plus 3/2. If we are to add these fractions, we need to consider what we call the LCM. Remember in grade 6 you did something to do with finding the LCM, that is the lowest common multiple. In this case we're going to find the LCM, that is the number where 5, 2 can go without a remainder. So how to find the LCM? There are different methods, like using a factor tree method, using the ladder method, and in this case we can use either of those, but we're not going to show that method here because I know you guys are smart and you know it. So we need to find the LCM of 5 and 2, and then we proceed working out the fraction. So let's observe. The LCM of 5 and 2 in this case, we are going to say which number where 5 and 2 can go without a remainder. The lowest number, in this case the number is 10. The method could be 5 times 2, that will give you 10. But not always that you need to multiply the denominators, because sometimes when you multiply the given denominators, they may give you a number which is bigger than the LCM. So in this case, since the numbers that we have here, they are small, we just go direct to say 5 times 2, that will give us 10. So here we'll draw the division sign, we'll put our 10 down here like that as usual, and then we say, since it's 10 down here, we say how many times can 5 go into 10? 5 can enter 10 2 times. So since there is a numerator which is 4 on top of 5, we're going to multiply 2 times 4. So this will be 5 into 10, it's 2. 2 times 4, that will give us 8, like that. Then you say plus, with plus sign here. Then you say, how many times can 2 enter 10? 2 can go into 10 5 times. Since 2 can go into 10 5 times, we are going to now multiply 2 times 3. So 2 times 3, which is the numerator there, it will give us 15. 5 times 3, that will give us 15. Why? Because 2 can go into 10 5 times. So 5 times 3, that will give us 15. Thank you for paying attention. Now having 8 plus 15, 8 plus 15, this shouldn't be a problem to you guys to add. How do we go about it? Let's see. Here you write your denominator as usual. That is, your denominator will be 10, down there 10. Then you say 8 plus 15, that will give us 23, because 5 plus 8, that will give us 13. So we write 3 and we carry a 1. Then 1 plus the other one we carry, that will give us 2, that is 23. Now that we have 23 over 10, we cannot leave a bigger number on top of a smaller number. This is called an improper fraction. So when working out fractions, you don't leave a question like an improper fraction the way it is. Instead, you are going to divide the numerator by the denominator, meaning the denominator should enter into the numerator. In this case, the denominator is 10. How many times can 10 enter 23? 10 can enter 23 2 times. 10 can enter 23 2 times. What's the remainder? The remainder is 3. So you put 3 there over 10, which is our denominator. If you look at this now, you see that 3 and 10, there is no number that can go there without a remainder. Hence, your question ends just like that. So this is how you work out fractions that have different denominators. I'm sure this is clear, but I'll give you one more example so that you understand it better. So let's observe the second example. So the second example here, we have 3 over 4, then plus 3 over 5. I won't take time because we have done one example before. We'll put the sign for division. The LCM of 5 and 4. 4 times 5, that will give us a 20, like that. Then we say, how many times can 4 go into 20? That's 5. Then 5 multiplied by 3, that will give us a 15, like that. Then plus, then we say 5 into 20, the answer is 4. Then 4 times 3, that will give us a 12. 4 times 3, that will give us 12, like that. Having this now, we can say we draw another line. Maybe we can do it from the other side here, which will be like 20 here. Then on top we add 2 plus 5, that is 7. 1 plus 1, that's 2. So that is 27, 12 plus 15, giving us 27. So since we have 27 is bigger than 20, we cannot leave our fraction as an improper fraction. We need to reduce this and take it to a mixed number. 20 into 27, it's 1. Then remainder 7 over 20. There is no number that can go into 7 and 20 without a remainder. So the answer will remain like that. That is our answer. Well, for today we can end here. The next time we'll come and look at how to work out mixed fractions. Thank you so much for paying attention, and remember to do your work. Thank you.